Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sumit K. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the discovery tool to get the details of your on-prem infrastructure or infrastructure which is hosted onto the any other cloud. So here in this demo, what I'm going to do, I have a AWS cloud where I have a couple of instances are running. So you can assume or you can mimic that this is your on-prem infrastructure, and I'm gonna use the discovery method provided by the GCP Migration Center. So there are certain ways that you can use discovery tools to get the discovery of your existing infrastructure workloads. So there is the first way is a manual way to import the data, and the second is a migration center discovery client, which is an automated way to simply fetch the your data from your existing infrastructure. So let's perform this first manual way to import the data. So what I'm going to do, let's assume that your machines are running into the AWS cloud, right? First of all, let's assume that. So how you're going to import the data? Okay, so to import the data from the AWS instance, there is a certain script that GCP provides, and you can use those scripts to import and manually feed it. So how you can do that? There is a GitHub repo. From this repo you can follow along this readme, and you can generate the data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow along. So you can use the AWS cloud shell. So and it's this, and clone this repository. So, okay, so now I'm into my Google cloud, not Google cloud, it's AWS console. So I'm going to start these three instance which is running on my AWS cloud. And also I have a cloud shell open, so meanwhile let me just clone it. Yeah, so if you see, there is in folder, gonna go here, there are many scripts, you can see that. Let me just uh, the font larger. So there is a script, you can see here. The first of all, you need to learn run this particular command to fulfill the requirement. So I'm going to use that. It's already satisfied because I already run it before showing this demo. So you can run this script. Simply just run this script to, basically this script is used to collect your machine information and all the related information. So simply run this, and it will generate a zip file, right? It will generate some zip file. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Yeah, so it has completed, and you can see this is a zip file, vm aws import file zip. And here just you can um, 1 second. Yeah, just use this command, verify the output has been generated. So you can simply run this command as well. Now to, you can download this file, particular file. When you click on the download file, 1 second, here you just simply copy this path and come here, click on download file, and just put the path here, and it will download the zip file. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, so okay, let me show you here. I can show you here, this is the file, so you can simply extract it here, extract all. And these are the CSV files that has been collected um, during this script. So the script has basically collected some of the information like disk information, performance information, tagline information, and VM information. Just close it out and come back here. And what you're gonna do, go to your Google Cloud now. Okay, so now you are into the Google Cloud Console. Here you see this discovery option. Uh, in the discovery section, I'm going to upload this file manually. So you just click on the data import and click on the add data and upload files. Give it a name. I'm going to make it test one, two, three. File format, you should select AWS export and select the files to upload. So the file that I have extracted is this one. So you can select the or four files and simply upload the file. Just wait for a few seconds. You can also see the size of the file because right now I have three instances, so the size of the file is also less. But you have a if you have thousands of servers, the size of the file would be in MBs. Okay, so it's throwing a little smaller. I'll just continue with this. Okay, now go to the assets. And here you can see that all your three machines, which we have seen on our AWS instance, have been uploaded as an asset in the GCP migration center, right? So you can see your web 1, your web 2, and your Windows VM, which is a part of your test 1, 2, 3 job, and you can see all your OS instance, the primary IP address, and all this thing. So if you want to have more details, you can simply click, or let's click on this Windows VM first. And I think you are getting all this detail, like the name of this machine, the primary IP address, operating system, feasible cloud product. So it's also recommending that if you can deploy this particular machine into the GCE or GCE sole tenant, GCVE, and these are the good fit server migration insight. And this is the particular machine type series which you can you're gonna use it. Basically it's a recommendation from the GCP migration center that if you want to migrate this machine to GCP, then this is a machine type is basically recommended. And and basically you have a details around of CPU, how many cores, thread count, memory, total capacity of the disk. This is the disk name of 30 GB capacity because this is a Windows machine. And it has some network configuration, some guest information, has some metadata as well, performance, because this machine is sitting idle, so you won't see much here. So basically it's about all your information, right? uh, what else? Here in the summary, you can see the overall um, summary of your servers that have been imported. So you can see total cores 4, total memory 6 GB, total storage. So it's actually collectively telling you the overall capacity of your imported data. Right now database we have not imported, because if you just go through this link, there is a database script as well. You can, if you have a database running on your AWS console or AWS cloud, then you can also use those script to get the details of your database information, right? So, and similarly you can here see your overall capacity or summary of your database, right? So I think that's it for all. um yeah, grouping, I'll tell you more about grouping in a next video. But I think the focus is here is to just tell you how you can use the manual way to import the data into the GCP migration center, and then GCP migration center um, will actually give you some of the summarization and details, and also the recommendation that you can use while migrating the servers. So in next video, I'm going to cover client method, how you can use the discovery client method to automate this entire process.